There's another one! That's number... You gotta be kidding me!
So the ramp was bare today, this afternoon. And it's 6 o'clock now, and look at all the snow. Yeah, we're getting a snowstorm again. It's calming down now, but it's supposed to keep going all night and then stop tomorrow and come back Sunday. Double what we have today. Get out of the way, Bella. She loves it when people shovel. She wants that snow. Throw one at her. Temperature today is... We're expecting a snow storm, ice storm, and then rain. So we're doing what we can. She loves that snow. Well, looking through the window, it's about 8:30 at night, and it's storming out there. Look at all the accumulation on the roof already. Whew. Yeah, it's starting to accumulate on my balcony. It's pretty dark. I don't know what you can see, but yeah. Look at the height of that snow right there beside the car. Look at the end of my driveway. Whew. Next day, yeah, we got lots of snow. I might have to go to the door so you can see it better. Well, it's the next day. I had to shovel in front of my door at 6:30 in the morning. Freezing rain. Look at my roof already. Yeah. We're not going anywhere today, that's for sure. Had to shovel a little bit, but that's the temperature. And look at my garage. Look at that snow. It's piled up there like a blanket of frozen snow. That's crazy. It's freezing rain right now. Look at my... This had nothing on it yesterday. And now it's piled up so high on top of my little shed. Look beside it. It's almost as tall as my shed. It's halfway up my shed already. Lots of snow last night. Lots of freezing rain. And it's going to continue today.
1 hour later.
Alright guys. It snowed last night like crazy. And now we're having freezing rain all day today. And I had to shovel this because look at this. That's just in front of my door. That's how much snow I had. The snow accumulated over that pipe, so thank God I woke up and took the snow out of there. And I had to put some more salt up there because it's accumulating on my roof again. But it's crazy out here, guys. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Like, the snow drifted a lot, so thank God there's not too much around the car, but it's crazy. You could hear the freezing rain. You could see the freezing rain. Yep. Beautiful day in Canada. Oh, look at the snow, how it's layered on top of my garage. Very strange. Very strange. Look at all the snow, guys. It's almost as tall as my little shed. Temperature is... That's the temperature. So it's Fahrenheit. So it's -5 degrees Celsius, which is almost 20 degrees Fahrenheit. But yeah, it's looking pretty epic out there with the snow. It's freezing rain now, and we're supposed to get more snow later. Look at that snow. It's not that deep around the car. It's more like it turned into like a... Bella, stop it. Look at my fence. Look at how high it is at my fence. It drifted a lot, so it made like drifts of snow. But look at that. It's crazy. Look at this crazy girl. She's loving it. Look at her. Jay's on top of the snow right now. He's on top of the snow. It's piled really high, but it's stiff, right? Because of the ice. Because it was snowing, then freezing rain, then snowing, then freezing rain, and then snowing. But look at the trees, guys. Look at the trees. Look at the snowbanks. Unreal. That's glare ice there. Look at my ramp. We can't even shovel that because it's just hard as a rock. She's loving it. She does the zoomies and she slides. Bella, zoomy fast, fast! In the back! Fast, fast! She slides on top. You'll see her go slide like it's a skating rink. It's hilarious. But look at my fence. Look at the snow. It's almost as tall as my fence. In some places, it is as tall as my fence. Unreal. SNOWMAGEDDON. Now Jay's going to try to warm up the car. He's got to get that snow away from the car as well.
Try to get the ice off the car.
We had a wonderful man named Luke that came here with a tractor with the plow on it, and he did our driveway yesterday. Richard, the guy who does our driveway, I was having problems with his plow, so he sent his buddy to do it. So I want to thank both of those people, Luke and Richard, for getting us out, because this is horrible. We would have been stuck here for a long time. Days. Because there's no way to shovel this. This is unreal. My deck got the grunt of it a little bit. Oh, I don't like that. That's a wooden chair. I'm going to have to clean that off after. Look at the trees. Yeah. Lots of snow, guys. Lots of snow.